Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the textual questions and answer of the prose at the high school by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, M.K. Gandhi, the father of our nation. This prose at the high school, this prose is an extract of his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. The Story of My Experiment with Truth. Okay? And in this video रे आमे बहिर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करमा. Okay? About the author, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 and died on 30 January 1948. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was India's greatest leader who employed non-violence to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movement for civil rights and freedom across the world. The Story of My Experiments with Truth, Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule are some of the leading books by Mahatma Gandhi. In the present extract, Gandhi focused on his life and learning at high school. चलो बहिर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करमा. Let's understand the text. Paragraph 1. What is a biography? An account of someone's life written by someone else. जनेकर द्वारा जनेकर जीवनी जदि लिखा हुए ताके आमे बायोग्राफी कहसु. आउ what is an autobiography? An account of a person's life written by that person. जने गुटे पर्सन जदि निजर लाइफ बाबद निजे लिखिथिबे तो ताहे कहसी ऑटोबायोग्राफी. Is this lesson a biography or an autobiography? An autobiography at the high school is an autobiography written by Mahatma Gandhi. Was Gandhi good at studies? Yes, Gandhi was good at studies. Did his teacher like him? Yes, his teacher liked him. What sorts of certificates were sent to his parents? Certificates of progress and character. When did he win prize? After he passed out of the second standard. Which standard did he get scholarship in? 5th and 6th. What were the amounts of his scholarship? 4 and 10 rupees. Who did he thank more for his scholarship? Himself or his good luck? His good luck. Paragraph 2. What was he very much careful about? He very much careful about his character, because character is a priceless possession. How did he react when blamed? He broke into tears. What was more important for Gandhi, winning prize or building character? Building character, obviously. Why did he get physical punishment? For some little blemish in his character. Blemish mean moral defect. Okay. You must remember your glossary. Okay, then you understand better the text. For some little blemish in his character. Who was the headmaster? Dorajji Idulji Gimi. Okay. Was he popular? Why? Yes, because he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. What was made compulsory for upper standard boys? Gymnastics and cricket. I dislike both. What does both refer to? Gymnastics and cricket. What was the reason for Gandhi's dislike for cricket and gymnastics? His shyness. Was the headmaster a lover of games? Yes. What false idea did Gandhi have about games? Games had nothing to do with education. What were his views on games later? Game should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. Curriculum means course of study. Paragraph 3, number 23. What was the special reason for Gandhi's dislike for gymnastics? To serve his father after school. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. What was the service? To serve his father. Did the headmaster grant his request? Why? No. The headmaster did not grant his request because the headmaster did not believe on him. Why did he get to school late? He had no watch and the cloud deceived him. Deceived means Tokidala. The cloud cheated him. Cloud deceived him how? He did not guess the time as the clouds gathered across the sky and reached the school when the boys had all left. Did the headmaster believe what he said? No, the headmaster did not believe. How much was he fined? 1 or 2 annas. What was he accused of? Was the accusation proper? Accused of lying? No, the accusation was not proper. What pained him so much? The accusation that he was lying. Paragraph 4, number 32. What lesson did he learn from it? A man of truth must be a man of care. A man of truth must be a man of care. Remember this line, very important. Was he careless in school later? No, he was not careless in school later. Did he really have to pay the fine? No, he did not really have to pay the fine. How was the fine exempt in the end? How was the fine exempt in the end? As Gandhi's father wrote about the service for him after school, the fine was exempt in the end. What was the other neglect Gandhi talked about? His bad handwriting. Number 37. What was his early notion on handwriting? Early notion means an impression, an idea. Okay. What was the early notion on handwriting? It was not necessary part of education, this idea. When and where did he realize that his notions were wrong? What made him think so? Until he went to England and later in South Africa. The good handwriting of the lawyers and the young men in South Africa made him think. Okay. And when and where? Until he went to England and later where? And later in South Africa. Okay. What were his views on handwriting? Good handwriting was a necessary part of education and bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education. Number 40. What was his advice to young men and women in this regard? To learn handwriting only after they have learned to draw objects by observation. Paragraph 6. Why did Gandhi consider Sanskrit harder than geometry? There was nothing to memorize in geometry, whereas in Sanskrit everything had to be learned by heart. Okay. Next, number 42. Which class was Sanskrit introduced in? In the 4th standard. What did Gandhi say about the Sanskrit and Persian teachers? The Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster, but the Persian teacher was lenient. Where they on good terms, cut the sentence from your text in support of your answer. Se text true, ame se kota ki bahar korama. Where they on good terms? No. Okay, they were not on good terms. There was a sort of rivalry going. Cut the sentence from your text in support of your answer. There was, this is the sentence from the text. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. Number 45. What tempted him to sit in the Persian class? The easiness of the Persian subject. How did the Sanskrit teacher feel about it? He was grieved. Why did he think it necessary for Gandhi to study Sanskrit? Because he was the son of Vaishnava father and Sanskrit was the language of his own religion. So, paragraph 7, number 48. Did he come back to Sanskrit class? Yes, he came back to Sanskrit class because he could not disregard his teacher's affection. Okay, he could not disregard his teacher's affection. What put him to shame? The Sanskrit teacher's kindness. Who was his Sanskrit teacher? Krishna Shankar Pandya was his Sanskrit teacher. How did the study of Sanskrit help him later? Acquire the little knowledge in Sanskrit and took interest in scare books. In this way, it helped him later. What feelings did Gandhi have for his teachers? Regards and love. Okay. We will discuss in the next video our vocabulary of the prose at the high school. Okay, thank you. Need your comments. Thank you so much.